Thank you, Steve. So let's start with a question this morning. How committed are you as business leaders to winning, to succeeding, to executing your strategies, to implementing your plans, to achieving your goals? How committed are you to winning? On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being low, 10 being high, I'd like to see a show of hands. How many people in this room here today would rate your level of commitment as a 9 or a 10 on a 10-point scale? How many people are that committed to winning? Let's get a show of hands. Yes, fantastic. We have a highly committed group of people, high achievers here to winning. Second question, if we are all so committed to winning, why do most strategic change initiatives fail? We have good intentions, we have ideas, we have ambitions. The execution is the hard part. So today I'd like to talk about why is it so hard to execute. My goal is to give you models, concepts, processes, tools, so that by the end of the day, you will be far better equipped to execute and develop strategy. How does that sound?